Hey guys, so welcome to Stack. Today I will be showing you how to delete Instagram account on iPhone. So guys, first thing is just simply go for the Instagram application into your device. Now over here guys, just make sure to select your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. And now you should be able to see the three lines in the top right corner of the screen, and it will redirect you to the settings and activity, and you can just simply go for the account center. Now guys, from here, you would just simply go ahead and go for manage accounts. And here on the manage account, go for your Instagram account and select manage. And over here, you will have an option deactivation or deletion. And just simply select delete account, the second option, and select continue. And after that, it will ask you about your data and it will be deleted, and select continue and just simply provide why you are deleting your account. And after that, select continue, and pretty much over here, just simply select continue. And from here, guys, to proceed, you will have an option to back up your data, or you will have an option to deactivate your account only, which it can be reactivated. And from here, guys, you should be able to delete your account once you select continue and just simply provide your password. I hope this video helped you understand more, and thanks for watching.